Here's how you can copy specific photos from the iPhone to the MacBook. So let me guide you through it. If it's your first time in here on Foxtecc, make sure you subscribe so you never miss anything important. Okay, so since we are talking about the MacBook, which is obviously made by Apple, it means that we are still part of the Apple ecosystem, so it's all connected together. So if you ask me, the best way would be to open up the Photos app on the iPhone, select multiple photos, those which you specifically want to move over or copy, and when you click on share, you will have the ability to use AirDrop, and that's obviously the best way to do it between like Apple devices, because you can set it up quickly with a quick click of a button. It's going to appear on the Mac, right? So that would work. Very simple method. But of course, it's not the only one, because you have so many other apps which you can utilize for this purpose. Most notably, we have the Google Drive or other cloud storage options where you can upload the photos there and then access the very same cloud on a computer. It might be Windows or any other device, and you'll be able to access the same photo. So that's another way. Or myself included, a lot of people, and myself included, use the external storage method, where if you have like multiple photos and videos, perhaps it's not the best to copy them over AirDrop, but I would just connect like an external storage or SD card to my phone through the USB port. I just have to have the proper connection or dongle, but then it's going to appear as a separate storage inside of the Files app, and all of the photos and videos which I select in my Photos app, I can tap share and save to files, and I essentially pick the external storage I just manually connected. So it just means that I just copy all of my photos and videos which I want onto the external storage, and then I can transfer it to any computer or any device, and that would work out just fine. So I hope I can help you out. Let me know what you think about that below in the comments. For now, that's it, and I hope to see you later in the future videos too.